Alright guys, this video is going to show you how to zoom in and out in Sony Vegas in about 1 or 2 minutes. I've got a 5-second clip with me in Sony Vegas, which is a 5-second clip of Minecraft Xbox. Using this clip, I'm going to zoom in and out to demonstrate to you guys how to zoom in and out in Sony Vegas. First of all, once you've got your clip on your timeline, you want to go to the right hand side of your track where you will see a box called Event Pan Crop. If you click on that, it will open up this window called Video Event FX. I'm going to drag it into here just to make it easier to demonstrate to you guys how it works. Alright, so first of all, once you've got this box open, you want to notice the timeline here. This timeline is just a timeline of the track, and you will use it to place keyframes to zoom in and out. For example, if I want to zoom in about half of a second, I'll go to the first half a second of a track and insert a keyframe. The first keyframe is on 0.00 seconds, and that is not zoomed in at all. You use this like a rectangle like node point thing to choose how far you want to zoom in. So for example, on this keyframe here, I'm going to zoom in by dragging this box like this. And now, just from playing this track to preview, after half a second, it will zoom in, into your clip. And it's pretty much the same process if you want to zoom out. So I'll create another keyframe, and the keyframe basically replicates the last zoom. So for example, I'll create a keyframe at about 3 seconds, and then at 5 seconds, I'll create a new keyframe and zoom all the way out again, which I will do now. Zoom out. Okay, so it's zoomed out. So because I've inserted a keyframe at 0.00, which is already there, creating this key point here and zooming in, and then creating a key point here and not doing anything to it, means that the center of your clip will stay zoomed in at the same point. And then after this keyframe, I have zoomed back out to 100%. So as you can see, it will zoom in and then zoom back out again right at the end. And there you go. So this was probably very confusing, but I hope it helps. Pretty much all you need to do is open Video Pan Crop, and then in here this box will open. With this box there's a timeline here, and you insert keyframes. I'm not sure if you understood how keyframes work exactly, but say this is the main keyframe where it's not zoomed in. If you insert a keyframe and then mess about with it, it will zoom in to that point. So now, because I put a keyframe after 2 seconds to zoom in, it will zoom until 2 seconds and then stay there. Yeah, you can play around with it. It's very simple. I doubt there will be many people that will not understand this, because it's really straightforward, and I'm not the best at explaining, but I hope I've explained it well enough. If this helps, be sure to like the video, and thank you for watching. I appreciate it, and yeah, goodbye.